Imagine a vast expanse of raw data, numbers, charts, and graphs, perplexing yet fascinating. This marks the beginning of our journey, a shared struggle to decipher the deluge of data in an information-driven world. The key? Data storytelling. This method not just navigates but illuminates the sea of data, transforming abstract numbers into meaningful narratives. We're embarking on an exploration of data storytelling, aiming not only to make data understandable, but to resonate on a human level. Prepare to learn how to craft powerful narratives, unlocking the true essence of data. Our journey takes a deeper dive as we navigate from the chaos of raw data towards the mastery of storytelling. At this juncture, we unfold the art of data visualization and narrative crafting. This process reveals how numbers can transform into compelling stories, simplifying complexity and amplifying impact. It's about seeing the narrative hidden within data, whether you're highlighting trends, brand stories, or societal issues. Through concrete examples, like a global health organization mapping an epidemic spread, we see data visualization's power to not just inform but evoke action and empathy. We advocate for simplicity, where a single chart can tell a profound story. As we progress, we'll explore more ways to inspire through data storytelling. The knowledge acquired here is but a stepping stone into the vast, vibrant waters of storytelling, encouraging you to explore further and harness the power of narrative to make data relatable and impactful. In the realm of communication, data storytelling stands as a pivotal tool for clarity and engagement. Through this transformative journey, the art of weaving data into narrative gold has been highlighted, showcasing the triumph of vision and perseverance. Our exploration has demonstrated that the right approach turns overwhelming data into insightful stories, extending their impact far beyond mere numbers to inspire action. As you stand at the cusp of new storytelling opportunities, may the successes and strategies shared guide you. We encourage an ongoing journey of discovery and innovation in data storytelling, inviting you to mold data into narratives that resonate. Every number holds a story, every dataset a dilemma to unfold. It's time to uncover the stories within your data and let them speak volumes. Your journey, your narrative awaits.